Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can disable TalkBack on OnePlus Nord for 5G. If you have this information in the middle of the screen, then of course you can simply read the instructions how we can disable the TalkBack mode. So all we need to do is hold down both volume buttons for 3 seconds in order to turn off TalkBack. So let's press and hold both volume buttons for those 3 seconds. And there we go, TalkBack is now disabled. However, if you are, for instance, in the home screen and you don't see the prompt in the middle of the screen and you want to get access to TalkBack in order to disable it, then let me show you what you can do. So first of all, we need to access settings. So I'm gonna go to the app drawer, and in order to open the app drawer you need to use 2 fingers, and you want to swipe like normally you would do with just 1 finger, but you need to use 2 fingers instead. So any scrolling that you do with the TalkBack on, you need to perform with 2 fingers instead of 1. So now we're gonna scroll on the list, tap on settings once, and then double tap. If you want to enter something, you need to simply, let me actually turn it down for a little bit. So even if you try to turn down the volume, you probably want to use 2 fingers, but it's quite difficult. Anyway, alright. So in order to now scroll the list, we need to use 2 fingers one more time. So let's scroll, and of course select accessibility and convenience, and then double tap. Then tap accessibility, double tap, then go to vision, tap on the vision and then double tap, tap on TalkBack and then double tap, tap on TalkBack and double tap, tap on stop and double tap, and there we go. So essentially, if you want to select an option, you want to tap on the option first and then double tap the option in order to go into that selected option. And if you, like I said, if you want to scroll, if you want to navigate, and normally you would do that with just 1 finger. With the TalkBack enabled, you want to do that with 2 fingers instead. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.